Hello, hello. Today I'm going to share with you how you can schedule your TikToks completely for free. No need for extra software, no need for a monthly payment, no waiting around for the push notification. Let's dive on in. While the intro is playing, comment your TikTok handle below. And if you see people you like, go ahead and follow them. Let's dive on in. All right, guys, I'm so excited to share this. My name is Rachel Pedersen. I am at the Mrs. Pedersen on TikTok. I currently have about 700,000 followers on TikTok, and I recently discovered this amazing resource for uploading and scheduling your TikToks completely for free. If you're excited about this, drop some love in the comments and give this video a like. So the first thing that you're gonna do is you are gonna go to ticktock.com on desktop. This doesn't work on mobile, got it? So go to ticktock.com and log in to your TikTok account. The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and go to this little button right here that says upload video. We're gonna go ahead and hit that. See here it says upload video. We're gonna select the video to upload. Let's head to my downloads because I've got this TikTok I wanna repost. Let's go ahead and wait for it to be fully uploaded. And this is where I get to put the caption as well as the hashtags and or anyone who is tagged in this. I'm gonna put a caption, anyone who is a business owner knows what I'm talking about. And I'm gonna add some hashtags. The nice part is it shows you a character count instead of just like that mysterious jumping button. So I could put like biz owner, I could put hashtag business owners, etc. And I'm going to fill that out all the way. One thing that's important to note, and I just made this mistake, is if you don't select the hashtag, it's not going to activate the hashtag, so you don't get the benefits of the hashtag. So if it's red, that means it's ready to go. You can pick the cover here, which is awesome. It's missing some of the functionalities, but this is nice because you can decide who can see the video easily, allow people to comment, duet, react, stitch, and here's where it comes in. Schedule the video. Go ahead and hit allow. And that is where you're gonna go ahead and select the time. Let's do this one later today. Yeah, that actually seems perfect. Let's go ahead and schedule. I'm gonna add a few more hashtags. While I am adding a few more hashtags in, I'm curious to hear from you. What questions do you have about TikTok? Because I'm gonna be putting together a ton of powerful tutorials. In fact, every single week I release 3 to 5 YouTube videos with free tutorials completely ad-free. If you don't yet do so, you may want to subscribe to my channel because you don't want to miss all of the valuable content that I put out there. We have room for one more. Let's go ahead and do female CEO. There we go. Beautiful. 5 spaces left, but I don't really have any hashtags for that. So let's go ahead and schedule. And just like that, this video is going to be scheduled, ready to go in about 20 minutes, fully scheduled from here. Now there is a little bit of a delay. It takes a while for this to actually fully schedule your video, so just keep that in mind. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Comment below and let me know if you're going to use this, if you've tried it, how it works for you. I will catch you guys later. Bye for now.